and Rico.
Hi, Darlene. Thank you so much for making this very special for us. Thank you so much for grace and elegance. I mean, I truly live up to your name. Thank you so much. Sobrang ganda ng aming event mula sa aking unang entourage hanggang sa reception. Wala akong masabi sa service. Sobrang personalized. Thank you so much, Darlene. And your team, pati si Ian, thank you. Wala kang masasabi. Aabot kami ng aming 50th or 50th year. Dito pa rin kami pupunta.
Thank you
so much. I will choose Grace and Elegance over like
for the Grace and Elegance team, especially to Miss Darlene, many things kasi for the quality, no? For the quality, preparations and everything na binigay niyo sa amin. Well, siguro hindi magiging meaningful din ito kundi rin sa kagandahan din ng pre-provide ninyo na service din, I would say. Na hindi lang service siguro, no? Siguro I wanna call this a fruit of love kung bakit nangyari ito. Maraming salamat and sabi nga ni Marites, well, in our 15th year, nandyan pa kayo pa rin. Nice namin na makasama namin sa aming pasok. Maraming salamat. God bless you.
Thank you po.